Some people think that when you have earwax, it is a sign of being dirty or a sign of not having a good personal hygiene. No, 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 no. In short, not having earwax is a problem. So having earwax has a lot of benefits on the individual. Hello everyone, I'm glad to have you today. I am Dr. Isioma, especially for those of you who are seeing me for the first time. Today I'll be discussing earwax and what you can do when we have earwax. Earwax are normally produced by healthy ear and it is made up of dead skins, sweat, and other substances like the oil you have on your skin or your scalp being produced by the gland found in the ear. It will interest you to know that the ear canal is divided into two parts, an outer and an inner part. And so the outer part has skin just like every other skin of the body, and this is where wax is usually produced. In majority of people, ear wax being produced are also being cleared off by the ear. So the ear has a way of taking care of the ear wax. It doesn't need your poking with cotton swab or cotton bud as we call it, or any other thing to get the wax off the ear. The ear wax we have in our ear can vary. Some persons have a wet one while other persons will produce a very dry ear wax. Everybody may not have the same color of wax. It can be light yellow and some may be dark brown. I know that some persons feel that when you have earwax in your ear, it's a sign of being unhygienic or being dirty. The person do not have a good personal hygiene. No, 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 no. Having earwax is not a problem. It is not a disease. It is not a sign of hygiene behavior. It's just normal for your ear to have wax. Without ear wax in our ear, the ear will get dried up. There will be irritation and itchiness. Infection can easily get into the ear, and this will bring us to the benefits of earwax. Why do we produce earwax? Of what use is this earwax to us? One, it helps to keep the ear healthy. Yes, that wax you are always poking with your ear swab to get it off your ear, thinking that, oh, you are very dirty. Some people tell me, I usually clean my ear, I usually clean my children's ear every week or every month. Why are you cleaning the ear? The ear is not meant to be cleaned except. So keep watching to know the except. The second benefit of the earwax is that it lubricates the ear. Three, it helps to trap dust, particulates that may cause injury to the ear. The fourth benefit is that it has a protective function against bacteria and fungal infection. The fifth benefit is that it helps the ear to clean itself. When we talk, yawn, swallow, chew, the wax moves. There's a movement the wax makes to clean the ear. So as we are talking, the wax is moving and cleaning the ear, making a movement to clean the ear. And if there is excess, the excess flows out, dries out, and it can be cleaned off the surface of the ear. Now, if you want to clean your ear, maybe you feel that there is a wax in your ear, what you can do is to get a soft cloth, get a wet soft cloth, and just use it to clean off these places. That's all. Now, at this point, it is also important to know why some persons produce more wax than others, or why some persons have wax impaction and others do not have. We see Mr. A and Mr. B. You find out that Mr. A is always having was impaction or plenty was, and why Mr. B do not have plenty was or do not have was impaction. The first reason is a small ear canal. So when the ear canal is narrow, this can cause an excess was build up that will not lead to was impaction. Another reason is too much hair. When you have so much hair in the ear, it can also cause that. The third reason is old age. So old age is another reason why somebody will have worse infection. Then another thing is genetics. Some people do naturally produce more worse than others. Studies have shown that there are some genes that are implicated in that. So some persons naturally have the tendency of producing more was. It could be due to excessive use of headphone, earpiece, or the use of hearing aid. This can happen because when you have the earpiece or the hearing aid, it will impair that movement of the earwax, and this will cause a build-up of the earwax. Now, the next reason is use of cotton bud. So when you feel you are trying to help yourself to clean your ear, you're trying to maintain a personal hygiene by poking into the ear, you may end up pushing the wax further into the ear. Now, when there is excess wax production beyond what the body can clear, it will now cause a buildup of wax. This will get hardened and even cause blockade of the ear. So if you are not hearing well, it could be due to wax impaction. The second thing that can happen with excess wax buildup is ringing sensation or buzzing sensation in the ear. You can also have sensation of fullness. There may even be dizziness and pain, especially when the wax has gotten to the inner part of the canal. That is not to say that wax buildup is the only reason why you may have all the symptoms, but just have it in mind that wax buildup can cause all these things. So what do you do? What should you do when you have wax buildup? Before we know what to do, know what not to do. So if the wax has hardened, please do not attempt unclogging it. It will cause injury. Then before you do any home remedy that I will be listing, please make sure your eardrum is intact. Make sure your eardrum is not perforated. Make sure your eardrum is still complete. Then two, ensure that you do not have ear infection at all, because if you have ear infection or you have opened eardrum, you will cause more harm than good. So when a wax is built up and it is hardened, whatever we need to do, whatever has to be done is to soften it so that it can gradually move away to the outside opening where you can easily clean it off. If you have oil and a stopper or a dropper, you can even do with syringe if possible. The oils that you can use include olive oil, coconut oil, even almond oil, baby oil, or any other mineral oil. But ensure that whatever oil you are going to use will not cause irritation to your ear or any form of reaction to your ear. Another thing you can use is glycerine. You can check in the pharmaceutical shops. I think it can be gotten over the counter. Ask of glycerine ear drop. This will help to soften the wax, and then gradually the wax can now find its way to the outside of the ear, and you can then clean it off. Application of this oil or glycerin can even take up to 1 week. But after doing this and you seem not to have any headway or any relief, no improvement, please go and see your doctor. So your doctor may use a special instrument to remove it after examining you and confirming that okay, what you have is actually earwax. That's all. So don't go on poking your ear. So now you have now known why we don't encourage cotton bud or cotton swab or Q-tip. You also have now known that having wax in your ear is not a sign of being dirty. Thank you very much for watching up to this point. Please check out this video here and then see you in my next video. Until then, remain healthy and happy. Bye.